Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today in the house we have a brand new soundbar and this one is a bit special. This is a most affordable soundbar with built-in Alexa guys, and it's made by Zebronics. Model is Juke Bar 3820A Pro and it was recently launched in India, and today in this video we'll be unboxing it and I'll be sharing like my complete experience and feedback on this product. If you ask about the main highlights now, first of all I've told you right, it's got like on-board dual far-field microphones and is Alexa powered. So you can basically use it hands-free and completely control your experience. And along with that now it's got like built-in subwoofers guys. So this is something I'm like really excited to see, like how the bass on it is. And apart from that, it can produce around like 80 watts of total RMS output. So these were some of its main highlights guys. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. So here's the new soundbar from Zebronics, comes in this sort of box packaging. The model is Juke Bar 3820A Pro and I believe A in that stands for built-in Alexa. We've got the Zebronics branding, a picture of the product on the front and some of its main features mentioned, like it's got dual far field microphones, a metal mesh on the front, built-in dual subwoofers and can produce a max RMS output of around 80 watts. On the connectivity side also, we've got so many options on this model, which we'll discuss after the unboxing part. Alright then, let me grab my knife and tear this seal on the package. There you go, and as soon as you open it, you get these two metal clamps which are the wall mounting brackets for the soundbar. And here's the product we've been waiting for, the all new Juke Bar from Zebronics. Oh boy, it's definitely a bit heavy, weighs around like 3 to 3.5 kgs and is available only in one color for now, which is piano black. And along with that, you also get an accessory packet which includes a user manual on how to set it up and get started with Alexa. A remote control for the soundbar, pretty nice quality, has a soft touch finish all over it with a dedicated Alexa wake button. Some double-sided tapes. You also get a free HDMI cable in the package, 3.5mm to RCA audio cable, a pair of AAA batteries for the remote and some wall mounting screws. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the soundbar. The Zeb Juke Bar comes nicely packed like this. Let me just take it out of this cover and show you. Ta-da! Here it is, the all new Juke Bar 3820A Pro from Zebronics. Oh wow! Beautiful and actually quite big in size. Let me give you all a closer look and talk about the design and the build quality. The Zeb Juke Bar 3820A has a modern look and follows a similar design just as the 9000 series models, but with slight design changes. From my first impressions, it looks quite nice and has a solid build quality guys. The body is like a mix between metal and plastic and has a two-tone finish on it. The top and the front area is entirely covered in a metal grille, while the remaining body has a smooth glossy surface in a piano black finish. Feels quite premium for the price point. You've got the Zebronics logo on the left and says powered by Amazon Alexa on the right. Well, that is about the exteriors, and talking about the drivers on board, the Juke Bar 3820A features a total of 4 drivers on it. Two 4.4cm full range drivers, each of 20 watts, and also has special built-in dual subwoofers also guys, each of 20 watts. So altogether this soundbar can produce around 80 watts of RMS output. And not to miss out those tuned bass reflex ports on either side of the soundbar. Now going to the top, here we've got all the media control buttons, which include a power button, input source select, volume down, volume up, Alexa assistant button, and a mic mute function is also available on it, and quality of the buttons is also good. Now going to the back, there is nothing over here, just a clean look, and on the bottom side you've got rubber foot pads on both the corners and all the connectivity ports are present at the center. There's a non-detachable mains cord and some ports which include a USB port to connect some external pen drives, a 3.5mm aux in, optical in is also there, and lastly supports HDMI ARC as well. So that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly set it up and then be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, so I'm back to continue the video. As you can see, we've got the brand new Zebronics soundbar setup in my bedroom. I've connected it to my TV, and as I've told you at the beginning guys, the soundbar can be connected using multiple ways. You've got Bluetooth on board, there's 3.5mm aux available, optical in is there, and HDMI ARC support is also available. Right now I've connected the soundbar to my TV using HDMI ARC, and one advantage of using that mode is, see, you can use TV's remote only to even control the soundbar volume and all that stuff. So that is one benefit of having ARC support, guys. Now, first of all, now when you switch on the soundbar, the first thing you'll observe is this LED status panel on the front, guys. It's got like 9 LEDs on the front that will show you different things like the current mode the soundbar is in and Alexa hot word detection and these sort of stuff. And coming to the setup part, now setup was also like very simple and easy. First, you'll need to download the compatible app for this soundbar from Play Store or Apple App Store made by Zebronics. And after that, you'll need to just configure, pair it with the soundbar, and then link your Amazon account with this soundbar so that you can enable Alexa on it. And Alexa on this thing is available in like 2 languages. Choice is up to you. Right now, it's set to English India mode, guys. And first, what we'll do now, we'll put the Alexa on it to a test, and after that, we'll check out the audio quality of this soundbar. So you can trigger Alexa in multiple ways. You can actually use a built-in button, or you can even use a remote to trigger Alexa, or you can even use your voice directly, guys, like in hands-free mode. That is because it's got like dual far-field microphones, and no matter where you are present in the room now, just call Alexa and it'll respond. There you go. What's the weather right now?
In Secunderabad, Telangana, it's 24 degrees Celsius with mostly sunny
Alexa,
skies.
stop. So guys, Alexa on it was working very well. It triggered again. Cancel. So it was working very well, accurately recognizing my voice and giving accurate results most of the time, no matter where I was in the room, guys. And on top of that, now you already know like what Alexa can do, right? You can control a lot of things like all your smart applications or smart appliances, or even your lighting controls, volume adjustments, or you can ask it to play or stream music directly from like Amazon service, Gaana, Savan directly, guys. So that is one good thing. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly play some files on this thing and I'll show you how the audio quality of the soundbar is. All Aorus 12th Gen PC build. Now this is going to be awesome. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Did you all miss me? It's been quite some time, right? We haven't did any PC builds on the channel, and that is the reason I'm back with a brand new PC build in this video. And let me tell you, this video is going to be like super awesome, guys. Okay, to be frank, I was not expecting this. Zebronics has nailed it this time. Audio quality was very good on this soundbar. I've played a variety of content on it, like music videos on YouTube, cinematic trailers, movies on Netflix, and was quite impressed with the results. I really wish I could play and show you those demos in this video, but I can't do that due to copyright issues. Anyways, the mids felt crisp and clear, the vocal clarity was nice, you could easily understand all the dialogues, the high frequency response also nice, was producing decent and smooth treble, and coming to the bass was also actually great considering that there was no separate subwoofer here. The brand implemented dual subwoofers within the soundbar itself, and that helped balance the overall sound. It was producing good and punchy bass. See, I've used and tested so many soundbars on the channel, guys, so trust me, I know what I'm saying. Overall audio quality was very good and satisfying for the price point. Initially, I was a bit skeptical because it's not Dolby certified for the price point, unlike the previous models from Zebronics, but in reality, the audio quality on this particular model is actually better than the old model soundbars from Zebronics, that too at the same price point. The sound stage was wide and the stereo separation was also decent. But again, don't expect 5.1 kind of surround sound experience here. No, this is not that kind of system. And if you ask about the volume output, it's got an RMS output of around 80 watts as mentioned by the brand, and yes, the soundbar can really go loud and it's more than enough for home purpose, guys. I couldn't go beyond 75% volume level. It was that loud. And distortion was also minimum up to 80% volume level. Above that you could definitely feel it in the sound. But see, at the end, you'll be quite happy with the result. Okay, that was about the sound, but here are a few things I do have to mention in this video. First is I didn't like the LED indicators on the front. There are too many LEDs and are also quite bright, especially when you're watching movies at night time in low lighting situation. They were a bit disturbing the experience. Second is the connectivity port placement on it is not that good, guys. It's directly on the bottom side, right? When you use it on a table surface, how should we access it? There is no chance to connect external pen drives also. It's only useful when you wall mount the subwoofer. So Zebronics, please do take this into consideration. And lastly, the price. The Juke Bar 3820A Pro is priced around 9,999 rupees in India. Even though it's the most affordable Alexa powered soundbar, I still felt the pricing could have been a bit less. Anyways, I'll leave a link to the product in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today, guys, our video on this product. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to know everything about it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.